Well, look what I found on the side of the road with a free sign on it. Couldn't pass it up. Brought it home last week, dumped some gas down the throat, nothing, no spark. So I read on the internet, we can update this from the old point system by simply putting a new modern coil on it. So we're gonna test that theory today. Amazon has just shown up with the coil, so we're going to pop off this crank cover here and slap it on and see what happens. So let's pull up a chair and get started. Take it a 3/8, maybe a 7/16. Take out these 3 bolts. And slide this off. And we have the coil right here that we're going to replace. That will take I believe a 5/16. The old coil off. And I believe we could probably just cut this wire to the old coil. Now this magneto I did clean up the other day when I realized I didn't have spark, thinking it was pretty rusted over, and clean the coil off thinking maybe that would be the problem. But there are points behind this flywheel. I don't want to mess with points. I'm hoping that we can just put the new coil on and throw a plug in it and dump some gas down the throat in hopes that it'll fire off. So we'll test the theory, see how it works. This wire. I think we'll be needing that. Get the new coil. Sure hoping this works. Fresh off the old Amazon truck. Here with the old magnet. Alright. I'm not sure of the orientation of this. I'm going to go ahead. Sometimes they're marked this side out, and I am not seeing that on this. Actually, in true Amazon fashion, this thing looks like it's already been installed and taken out by someone before. Would help if I brought my glasses, I suppose. I'm going to just take a chance. Take the chance and put it on facing this way. I'm going to slap this wire on the back. This is going to be for the kill switch. Put that on there. Tighten it up a little. put this new coil on here. And we're going to set it at 10 thousandths. Wonderful. So the old bolts barely go through here. I think I'm going to hit the grinder on these just a tad on the threads here, maybe just knock them down. I really don't want to drill on this. Just going to run these quickly over the grinder. That helps get that feeler. Shaved on that one a little more with it. That's helpful. Shave a little more on this one. Just knocking down the profile of the thread just a tad. Get that to fit. Okay, so we have another problem here. This thing is too wide. How do we fix this? Never a dull moment around here, folks. Never a dull moment. So this is only 15 bucks. I may just take her to the drill press and hog me a new hole in this thing. Though I don't want to, but I will. Okay, I took to the drill press. Drilled a hole over here a little closer. Ran that through. You may be thinking to yourself, you just ruined that coil. And to be honest with you, I thought the same thing. So that may be the case. But we're going to put it back together anyway. And we're going to pull the old starter cord and see if she starts. Or see if she sparks even. So let's do that. About 18 feet of extra cord here. I have to do something with it. Let's slide it on. Let's see what happens. Will she spark? Nobody knows. Round and round she goes. Will she spark? Nobody knows. I wish I had a cousin here that I could just have put their finger on there. I'll crank that. Just to see what was going to happen. But don't. All I have is a boring old spark tester. That's never fun. Cousins are only around when they need something. Not so much when you need something. You gotta love them. Okay. So maybe we should just put us a new plug in there. Pretend like it's fixed permanently. Dump some gas down the old gullet and see if she starts. Just forego all of the spark testing formalities. Look at that shiny new plug. Fresh from China. Should work. Probably right off the old boat. Tariff free. Okie dokie. Well, I just remembered I have no gas. Good news, I found some stale chainsaw fuel, so we'll dump that down. Let's see what we can see. Put that on. Okay. Let's see if everything we read on the internet is true. Just a little. Joke. See what happens. Neutral. Like a champ. So there you go. You buy you one of these Chinese coils that doesn't quite fit. Do a little drilling. Put in a spark plug. Dump some gas down there. Pull it a couple times and hope she starts. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'll try to think to link the coil. Now for this particular model here, that was too wide. But it does go to show you that you can forego the points in a mower and just buy a new electronic ignition coil and have you a good running piece of equipment. And this thing, I'm into this tiller for 15 bucks, and I hope you get some use out of it. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.